3 children along. And the very first thing that happened was apparently they dropped one child on his head.
This was the baby, 6 months old.
Suleiman, and apparently killed him, and no one's ever admitted that.
मेरे पास आए तो मैंने उनसे सवाल कर लिया कि आका मैं कब तक यहाँ पे रहूँगी, तो मेरा इम्तहान कब ख़त्म होगा। अब शी वाज फादर्स डॉटर जिसे कहते हैं, और अब्बू की आंखों का तारा थी। एंड मैं सोचती हूँ कि आफिया का वाक़या होने से बिल्कुल होने से कुछ ही दिन पहले वालिद साहब का इंतकाल हुआ। अगर उस वक्त मतलब आफिया के इसके बाद अब्बू का हो।
And protector for women. And I'm saying this with all this confidence, not out of arrogance, but because I believe that Islam was revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most just and merciful God, the God biased neither in favor of men or women, the creator and sustainer of both men and women.
So I went to see Afia in Texas as I was going there on the death penalty case, and but boy, when you meet her, it's very hard to say no.
I have no good expectations from Judge Richard Berman. He has time and time again shown his bias, and he has shown his discrimination, and he has shown how he has tortured the justice system of the US. He and his presiding in his court, he has really defamed America, and I have no expectation of anything good from him.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I wanted to talk on about Dr. Afia Siddiqui. I'm not going to waste your time on which who she is and where she belongs. इंटरनेट पर आप उनके बारे में बहुत कुछ जान सकते हैं कि वो कौन है, कहाँ पर हैं और कैसी हैं। मेरा मकसद इस वीडियो के ज़रिए आप तक अवेयरनेस पहुँचाना है कि उनके साथ अमेरिकन लॉज क्या कर रहे हैं और उनके साथ कितनी इनजस्टिस हो रही है। Dr. Afia Siddiqui, known as the most oppressed woman on earth, Dr. Afia Siddiqui, a Pakistani citizen, PhD neuroscientist and mother of 3, has been held injustly in US custody for over 20 years. She was sentenced for 86 years in Texas, United States. And there she was abused sexually, mentally and physically. My message to all of you is to be aware on how much she is suffering from past 20 years. Nobody has the right to punish someone without any reason, even though they are proved right. Even her lawyer Clive Smith, who is a human rights lawyer in USA, also says that I am ashamed of what American government is doing. And everything they are doing are against the laws. How all these things are against the laws? Everyone says that she is a prisoner, she did so many wrong things, but that is not true because she is proved right legally. No prisoner is tortured the way they torture Dr. Afia Siddiqui, a female prisoner who is sexually, mentally and physically tortured, again, which is against the laws. Point to be noted. They disrespected our holy book Quran Majid whenever she recites it. It should not be allowed because we should respect every religion. And the country like America, who always speaks about freedom, should also focus on it. I am not saying anything to America. My point is just to make people aware of what their country laws are doing with some other country's person without any reason. Pakistani government at that time was also involved in it, and I am not denying this fact because I am not afraid of speaking the truth. Her lawyer, Mr. Clive Smith, and her sister, Dr. Fozia Siddiqui, share a message to all of us that how can we help her. We can send this email, use our hashtags, and don't stop after speaking just for one time because we are so near to our success. Public pressure impacts a lot on the government. Dr. Afia's lawyer, Mr. Clive Smith, says that US President John Biden can grant presidential pardon to prisoners like Afia before the end of his term in January 2025. A petition for pardon has been filed in the US, however, we need sufficient public pressure for it to be accepted. I am looking for the help for Dr. Afia Siddiqui as a public pressure, because public pressure helps a lot in this. And in this modern and social age of society, it will be more easier. Because you have internet, on internet you can share a lot of videos and hashtags about Dr. Afia Siddiqui. Because public pressure helps a lot. I wanted to say that in this modern and advanced time, we are still back in following the laws. How can the government break the laws and punish an innocent woman just because she studied in your country and wanted to give some progress to her country and poor people through her knowledge and education? And this is how you treated her. No one had the right to torture our nation's daughter without any reason. And at the last, I just want to say one thing, that it is not only the matter of Pakistan or the family of Dr. Afia Siddiqui or just Muslims. It is the matter of the whole humanity. Because this time, it's not only the matter of a single country or a single religion. It is the matter of the whole humanity. Because in simple words, they are not just torturing Dr. Afia Siddiqui. They are torturing the humanity by breaking the laws. I wanted that the whole humanity, the people from Pakistan, America, India, Bangladesh, Italy, France, Spain, from everywhere, from the whole world, help her. Because before a Pakistani or a Muslim, first we all are humans. Everyone can freely say that we stand with truth. And this time, the voice has been raised on humanity. Everyone who is watching my video, share it everywhere and also say them to share it, because we are not afraid of speaking the truth. Share on your stories and everywhere, that this video or any other video related to her reach the whole world and also to the court of justice, and assure them they cannot silence the truth, and truth always wins, और सच की हमेशा जीत होती है. Share this video and save the humanity before the harsh world destroys it. We have to win and we will win, inshallah. If you don't feel her, how her family and how she is feeling right now, just think for a moment. That how would you feel if your sister or brother are at her place? मैंने जब ये सोचा था कि मेरी बहन वहाँ पर होगी या मेरा भाई वहाँ पर होगा, तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ़ हुई थी. Just think for a moment. अगर आप डॉक्टर फौजिया सिद्दीकी की जगह पर होते तो आपको कैसा लगता? इस बार बात इंसानियत पर उठाई गई है, सिर्फ पाकिस्तान पर नहीं, क्योंकि इस बार हमने दुनिया को ये बताना है कि सच की हमेशा जीत होती है और आप कभी भी इनोसेंट पीपल्स को सज़ा नहीं दे सकते हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एज पॉसिबल एज यू कैन. हम उनके लिए कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट थ्रू सोशल मीडिया इन दिस मॉडर्न एज वी विल हेल्प हर अ लॉट, बिकॉज पब्लिक प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट डालता है गवर्नमेंट पर.